This is a live Doppler 18 severe weather alert.
Good afternoon. I'm Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans right here on WLFI talking about this winter storm that continues to move through the area. First of all, we'll start with precision and show you what's fallen thus far across the area. About 4 to 5 inches over a good chunk from Delphi to Lafayette to near Fowler, back towards Hoopeston, Illinois, southward to near Attica, and also north of Crawfordsville. And again, to these yellows here, that's about 5 to 6 inches of snowfall. And finally, the darker yellows and oranges, that's over 6 inches. We've had that in northern Newton and Jasper County, and there could even be a couple of isolated spots, a little over 6 here in Cass County. Good news is the wind hasn't started to crank up too much just yet, but it will as we go through the day today. Let's track the snow right now on precision and show you where it's at, what's going out there, and what to expect during the evening and overnight hours. First of all, the heaviest snow has pulled off to the east. That has wound down. However, we're going to have periodic snow throughout the day today, and that will last into tonight, even tomorrow. Because notice, there was the heavier snow, but still some snow here moving into Lafayette and Crawfordsville, and there's more out here in central Illinois. We'll take in a little bit tighter here, and you can see some of the light snow coming up from the south and southwest here. That'll move into some of our northern and northeastern counties here over the next 1 to 2 hours. So another little coating possible. Notice the snow just at about Delphi now. Coming into the Lafayette area, another little round of snow. Also Crawfordsville, Veedersburg, Covington, Attica area, over towards Frankfort, north of Lebanon here near Thorntown and Sheridan, and up towards Camden and towards Delphi. Some of this light snow moving off to the northeast. More light snow, Tipton County up towards Kokomo as well. The Gulf moisture is flowing into this system. It's feeding it, and it's that Gulf moisture that will continue to keep at least some of this snow going right into the overnight hours and at least part of tomorrow, because even though the low's pulling away, there's still light snow funneling in back here into central Illinois and coming out of Iowa. So this is some of the at least periodic light snow that we'll deal with, more nuisance snow than anything this afternoon and tonight. And again, a road that's been plowed right now could easily become coated or covered once again this afternoon with a ½ inch, maybe upwards of an inch of snow as some of these snow showers continue to move through. Now let's go to 3D and talk about how much snow will fall total by tomorrow morning. It looks like really the heart of the viewing area, from Lafayette all the way up towards Delphi, south of Peru, Rougeaville, about 4 to 5 inches. I've upped the totals in the far south to about 5 to 6 inches, from Tipton to near Frankfort, Crawfordsville, near Attica, Pence, Veedersburg, and Perrysville, about 5 to 6 inches of snow total by early tomorrow morning. Same thing at Fowler, Monticello, Monon area up towards Rochester, and also just around the Logansport area, north of Logansport there, about 5 to 6 inches. Kentland up towards Remington, also Madairyville, Francisville, about 6 to 7 inches of snow total. And finally, the heavier totals where we could get a good 8 inches of snow up here in Newton and Jasper County, northwest Jasper County, and the northern 2/3 of Newton County, where good 8 inches of snow will fall. Now the thing is, during the overnight hours, the winds are going to start to pick up quite a bit. That's going to blow and drift this snow about. Visibility will come down. Visibility will be pretty bad tomorrow morning. So even though the roads may look good now in places, again, we got a little more snow that's going to fall, and also a lot of blowing and drifting snow across the roads as winds gust out of the northwest. Then the lake effect really gets going later tomorrow and especially into Saturday, and that could bring more snowfall accumulation to the area on top of what we're getting from this storm system. So Fowler, Kentland, Ambia, down towards Pine Village, Attica, and Crawfordsville, an inch or less of lake effect accumulation. Lafayette area, southeastward down towards Frankfort, also off to the northwest here. Monticello, Chalmers, Monon, up to Remington and Fair Oaks here, about 1 to 2 inches. Head northeastward, the totals really start to ramp up. Peru, Logansport area, even close to Kokomo, and over towards Winnemac, 2 to 4 inches of snow, and another 4 to 6 inches likely here in the Rochester area, here into northern Miami County. So forecast for tonight, still some periodic light snow through the day today. The blowing snow will become a real issue tonight, and the temperature will crash as the Arctic air comes in. Will drop into the upper single digits with wind chills 10 to 20 below zero because that wind will be out of the northwest, steady at 15 miles an hour. But there will be gusts at times 30, even as high as 35 miles an hour. And it's going to blow that powdery snow around a lot. Tomorrow, only 12 for the high temperature. At least some scattered snow showers still around. There will be blowing snow. The wind chill will be around 10 below zero. Winds gusting over 30 at times. There you see the high of 12. In the 7-day outlook, the lake effect again really gets going, especially late tomorrow, right through the weekend. We'll start to taper down somewhat on Sunday. And you saw the snowfall accumulations with that lake effect. Quite a bit of wind as well. 8 for the high Saturday. If we can really break the clouds up, calm the wind down enough Saturday night, and shut down the lake effect somewhat, that 8 below may be conservative. Up towards Morocco, you could be 11 or 12 below zero during Saturday night, Sunday morning. And then we get a bit of a warm-up. We're back into the upper 20s by middle and latter parts of next week. However, we've got a little Alberta clipper that'll pass Wednesday. That's the way it's looking right now, with the potential of at least some light snow, potential of at least a little light accumulation. Can't rule that out. And then after this, it still looks like a pretty decent warm-up after the 15th. We'll get above freezing, and we'll finally see a nice thaw all across the area. You're at the right place for severe weather information, whether it be winter weather and summer, spring, severe type weather, hail, wind, and tornadoes right here at WLFI and certainly WLFI.com. We'll have further information through the day, and you can always check out my blog at WLFI.com as well.
This has been a live Doppler 18 severe weather alert. We now return to regular programming.